In this documentary we will explore the vast expanse of the Amazon, a place that covers a fifth of the surface of South America and is undoubtedly one of the most important lungs of our planet. This river, which meanders for thousands of kilometers, carries water that flows through dense jungles, swamps and vast plains, creating a unique ecosystem that is vital to life on Earth. Along its path, the Amazon is fed by more than 1,100 tributaries, creating a network of rivers and canals that connect and give life to this diverse region. The Amazon rainforest is not only a place of beauty, but a stage in which the stories of animals, plants and human beings intertwine in ways that we are only beginning to understand. From the heights of the treetops to the depths of its dark rivers, the Amazon is home to incredible biodiversity. Here, species found nowhere else in the world thrive, while others, more enigmatic and rarer, remain hidden in its unexplored heart. On this trip, we will delve into the jungle to discover some of the most surprising and fascinating creatures that call this place home. From the colorful birds that paint the sky with their vibrant feathers, to the powerful jaguars that glide through the shadows of the jungle. We will meet spider monkeys, whose long limbs seem to dance between the trees, and howler monkeys, whose call can be heard in the distance, like a distant echo that resonates throughout the region. We will also dive into the waters of its rivers, where piranhas swim in schools and snakes, such as the feared anaconda, lurk on the banks. We will see how brightly colored frogs hide among the leaves and how crocodiles camouflage themselves in the dark waters, patiently waiting for their prey. However, the Amazon is not just a home for animals. This vast landscape is also home to indigenous communities that have lived here for millennia. Throughout this documentary, we will learn the stories of these people, their traditions, and how they have managed to survive in one of the most challenging environments in the world. Their lives are deeply connected to the forest and rivers that surround them, and their ancestral knowledge about the Amazon ecosystem is a fundamental part of understanding the sustainability and conservation of this vital territory. Throughout this journey, we will discover not only the beauty and diversity of the Amazon, but also the challenges it faces today. As we explore, we will see how deforestation, climate change, and other threats are endangering this unique place, which is essential to the health of our planet. So, join us on this adventure. Get ready to enter the green heart of the planet, where every step we take will reveal a new secret, a new animal, a new story. This is the Amazon, a place as mysterious as it is beautiful, as vital as it is fragile. So, join us on this adventure. Get ready to enter the green heart of the planet, where every step we take will reveal a new secret, a new animal, a new story. This is the Amazon, a place as mysterious as it is beautiful, as vital as it is fragile. In the dense shadows of the Amazon rainforest, where light barely reaches the ground, moves one of the most imposing felines on the planet, the jaguar. With its golden fur and black spots, the jaguar is not only an exceptional hunter, but also a symbol of the strength and mystery of the jungle. Unlike other felines, the jaguar does not fear water, and can be found near the rivers and swamps of the Amazon, where it becomes an aquatic predator, capable of hunting caimans and capybaras with astonishing skill. The jaguar is solitary by nature, patrolling its territory cautiously, making sure its presence is not perceived unless it wants it to be. Its powerful jaw and sharp claws make it an efficient hunter, capable of piercing the skull of its prey with a single bite. However, despite its impressive skill, the jaguar faces threats due to deforestation and poaching, which endangers its population at risk. Among the treetops, you can see the long, thin limbs of one of the most acrobatic primates in the jungle, the spider monkey. This name is due to its extremely long arms, legs and tail, which allow them to move through the jungle with impressive agility, swinging from tree to tree as if they were an extension of the tree itself. Their prehensile tail is their most useful tool, acting as an extra hand to grab branches and swing with ease. Despite their dexterity, spider monkeys are very vulnerable. Their habitat is being rapidly destroyed, and this seriously affects their population. The loss of the trees on which they depend for their livelihood means that their survival is threatened. In addition, these primates are social and live in family groups, which makes their loss in the Amazon ecosystem even more dramatic. The echo of the Amazon is filled with an unmistakable sound, the future roar of the howler monkey. Known for its vocalization that can be heard for miles, this primate has one of the loudest voices in the animal kingdom. The howler monkey is characterized by its dark face and large throat, which amplifies its sound. They howl to mark their territory and to communicate with members of their group, a vital skill in the thick canopy of the jungle. Despite their impressive call, the howler monkey faces challenges due to deforestation. Their reliance on trees to move through the jungle puts them in a difficult situation as trees disappear. However, they still endure in many parts of the Amazon, adapting to life in the tall trees. In the murky waters of the Amazon, where visibility is limited and rivers hide many secrets, swims one of the most feared creatures in this ecosystem, the piranha. Famous for their ability to attack in large schools, piranhas have a ferocious reputation that does not always reflect reality. Although they are effective predators, their behavior is often misunderstood. Most species of piranha feed primarily on smaller fish and fruit that fall into the water, although some species can be carnivorous. Their incredible bite force and sharp teeth allow them to quickly tear the flesh of their prey. Despite their reputation as dangerous animals, piranhas are an essential part of the aquatic ecosystem, helping to maintain the balance of fish populations. Among the waters of the Amazon, one of the largest and heaviest snakes in the world glides, the anaconda. With a length that can exceed 9 meters and a weight of more than 200 kilograms, this snake is capable of dragging prey as large as alligators or deer. The anaconda moves with great skill underwater, using its great size and strength to surround and suffocate its prey. Despite its size and its ability to hunt large prey, the anaconda prefers to avoid contact with humans and lives in remote areas. Its presence is essential for the ecosystem, controlling the populations of smaller animals and maintaining the balance in its aquatic environment. In the treetops of the Amazon, a flash of vibrant color catches our eye. It's the toucan. With its characteristic large, colorful beak, the toucan is one of the most iconic birds in the region. Its beak, although disproportionately large, is light and allows it to access fruits and nuts found high in the trees. This adapted beak also plays an important role in thermoregulation, allowing it to regulate its body temperature. Often seen in small groups, toucans are social animals that communicate through a series of cries and calls. They are instrumental in seed dispersal, as their fruit-based diet helps plants reproduce in the rainforest. However, habitat change threatens their population, as deforestation endangers their food and shelter sources. In the waters of Amazonian rivers, an ancient predator lurks, the caiman. These reptiles, which can measure up to 5 meters in length, are expert hunters, able to stalk their prey from underwater without being detected. Their powerful jaws can crush bones, and their ability to swim silently makes them one of the most feared predators in the Amazon. Although caimans are essential for the control of fish and small mammal populations, they also face threats due to illegal hunting and river pollution. The preservation of these reptiles is vital to maintaining balance in the Amazon's aquatic ecosystems. In the wettest areas of the Amazon, where vegetation is dense and humidity is constant, lies one of the most colorful and poisonous creatures in the rainforest, the dendrobatoid frog. Known for their bright colors, these tiny frogs are visual warnings to other animals, as they produce powerful toxins that protect them from predators. Their vibrant skin tones range from yellow, orange, and green, making them a fascinating and dangerous sight. Despite their poison, these frogs are not aggressive, and their role in the ecosystem is important. They feed on insects and other small invertebrates, helping to control insect populations. However, their population is declining due to habitat loss. In the calm waters of the Amazon, among the flooded trees and deep currents, swims a unique mammal, the pink dolphin. This distinctively pink dolphin is one of the most mysterious and fascinating creatures in the Amazon River. Unlike marine dolphins, pink dolphins live in fresh water and are known for their intelligence and social skills. They are curious and playful creatures, often watching humans from the dark waters, and their presence is a sign of the health of the river ecosystem. However, their habitat is threatened by pollution and human activity, which endangers their survival. In the skies of the Amazon, a colorful spectacle shines as macaws fly elegantly through the trees. These birds with vibrant plumage, which varies between red, blue and yellow, are some of the most beautiful and charismatic birds in the region. Macaws are social animals that live in groups, communicating through loud calls that echo throughout the forest. In addition to their beauty, macaws serve an important function in the ecosystem. They disperse seeds while feeding on fruit, which helps regenerate the forest. However, their population is in decline due to illegal animal trafficking and the loss of their natural habitat. In the forested areas of the Amazon, where grasses grow tall and the shadows of trees protect the ground, you will find the peccary, a close relative of the wild boar. Living in family groups, these animals feed on a wide variety of plants, fruits, and small invertebrates. The peccary is known for its inquisitive nature, and its short snout allows it to dig for food. Although they are usually peaceful, they do not hesitate to defend themselves if they feel threatened, displaying fierce resistance. The peccary is essential for seed dispersal in the Amazon, as its diet contributes to the growth of new plants. However, peccaries are endangered by illegal hunting and habitat destruction. Los pueblos indígenas del Amazonas nos han mostrado el camino. Durante miles de años han vivido en armonía con la selva respetando sus ritmos sus ciclos y sus recursos su conocimiento ancestral basado en la observación y la conexión espiritual con la naturaleza es un testimonio de lo que significa ser verdaderos guardianes de la tierra. Ellos no son solo habitantes antes del Amazonas, son sus protectores al reconocer y apoyar sus derechos. No solo les estamos dando voz a quienes más saben sobre el equilibrio ecológico, sino que también estamos ayudando a preservar el Amazonas para las generaciones futuras. El futuro del Amazonas depende de nosotros, de las decisiones que tomamos hoy. Cada árbol talado, cada hectárea deforestada, cada especie perdida es una pérdida irreparable para el mundo, pero también es cierto que cada esfuerzo por proteger esta región, por restaurar sus ecosistemas, por apoyar a sus comunidades indígenas y por demandar políticas responsables, es una semilla de esperanza. Es posible cambiar el destino del Amazonas. Los avances en la tecnología, la educación y la conciencia ambiental nos permiten imaginar un futuro diferente. Uno en el que el Amazonas florezca nuevamente, uno en el que la humanidad viva en equilibrio con la naturaleza, pero para que esto suceda debemos actuar ahora. La acción colectiva es más urgente que nunca. A medida que llegamos al final de este recorrido por el Amazonas, nos encontramos con una pregunta fundamental: ¿qué podemos hacer para proteger este invaluable tesoro natural? Hemos sido testigos de la belleza y la diversidad de la selva, de sus animales, sus plantas, sus ríos y sus comunidades indígenas, pero también hemos visto las Amenazas que enfrenta esta región única la deforestación, el cambio climático, la minería illegal y la expansión de la agricultura industrial. El Amazonas no es solo un ecosistema lejano o un territorio remoto, es un patrimonio compartido por toda la humanidad. Nos proporciona oxígeno, regula el clima y alberga una biodiversidad que es vital para la salud de nuestro planeta. Los árboles que cubren el Amazonas absorben el dióxido de carbono de la atmósfera, ayudando a mitigar los efectos del cambio climático. Las aguas del río Amazonas son una fuente de vida para millones de personas y animals y sin embargo todo esto está en peligro. Como seres humanos somos responsables de la destrucción que está ocurriendo, pero también tenemos el poder de cambiar el rumbo. La preservación del Amazonas no es tarea de unos pocos, es un esfuerzo global. Cada acción cuenta, desde el consumidor que elige productos sostenibles hasta las políticas gubernamentales que protegen los derechos de las comunidades indígenas y frenan la deforestación. Pero más allá de eso es una cuestión de conciencia colectiva. Necesitamos entender que el Amazonas no es solo un espacio que pertenece a un país o a un continente, es parte de un sistema global interconectado. La pérdida de sus árboles, la extinción de sus especies, el deterioro de sus aguas afecta a todos en todos los rincones del mundo. El Amazonas está íntimamente vinculado a los ciclos naturales de la tierra y su desaparición tendría consecuencias catastróficas para la diversidad global, el clima y en última instancia nuestra propia supervivencia. Como espectadores de este documento tenemos un papel crucial en la preservación del Amazonas. La información es poder y ahora que conocemos la importancia de esta región para la vida en la tierra, debemos tomar decisiones informadas. Apoyamos iniciativas que promueven la conservación, el respeto por los derechos de las comunidades indígenas y la lucha contra la deforestación. Exigamos que nuestros gobiernos implementen políticas que protegen el Amazonas y sus habitantes. El Amazonas no es solo un ecosistema lejano, es el corazón verde del planeta. Su futuro es el nuestro. Lo que suceda con el Amazonas afectará a cada rincón del mundo. Es hora de actuar, de proteger este maravilloso pulmón del planeta y de dejar un legado positivo para las generaciones venideras. Gracias por acompañarnos en este viaje. Si deseas conocer sobre la importancia del Amazonas y cómo puedes ayudar a protegerlo, suscribir a nuestro canal y mantente informado. El Amazonas necesita nuestra ayuda y juntos podemos marcar la diferencia.